The little blue engine needs your help deciding what to bring over the mountain for the girls and boys. Let's help do the math. If there are 6 children over the mountain and each child needs 4 oranges, how many should the engine bring? So 6 times 4. Hold your whiteboard up when you have the answer. 24. Here you can see what it will look like for each of the 6 kids to get 4 oranges. 24 in total. Here we'll find out what to bring for toys. 2 dolls for each of the 2 girls and 3 balls for each of the 4 boys. 2 times 2 for girls and 4 times 3 for boys. 2 girls times 2 dolls equals 4 dolls. 4 boys times 3 balls equals 12 balls. Thank you for helping the engine bring good food and toys to the girls and boys.
Created using Powtoon.